How to fix Facebook notifications not working. If your Facebook notifications aren't showing up, there are a few steps you can take to get them working again. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection, since poor connectivity can sometimes delay or block notifications. Then, check both your device's notification settings and Facebook's in-app settings. On your phone, go to Settings, find the Facebook app and make sure notifications are turned on for all categories. Next, open the Facebook app, tap the menu, go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings, and scroll down to Notifications. Here you can review and customize which alerts you want to receive. If everything looks fine and you're still not receiving alerts, try clearing Facebook's app cache in your device settings. As a final step, reinstalling the app can resolve any temporary glitches or bugs. Try these steps to fix your Facebook notifications. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.